Hello and welcome everyone. We are back with a new topic of data science, which is data preparation, the foundation of effective analysis. This is the second video of our playlist. We are going to discuss data preparation in this topic, in this presentation. Welcome to our session on the crucial topic of data preparation. Data preparation is often overlooked, but it's the foundation for gaining meaningful insights and achieving accurate analysis. Today, we will dive deep into the key steps of data preparation, outlining best practice of ensuring high quality and reliable data for your analysis. Basically, from data analysis, we can extract out the effective data, which is useful for our work. Now, we will going to be discuss this topic more further. what it is why data preparation is so important. So why it is so important, we will discuss this. Accuracy and efficiency, basically the data preparation revolves around the two words, which is accuracy and efficiency. It ensures the data is clean and accurate, minimizing errors and biases the can screw results. That in data preparation, basically the accuracy is measured of the data, that how accurate the data is, and how the error can be minimized in that data. Efficiency, it saves time and resources by streamlining analysis and preventing the need to rework flawed data. Basically it saves our time and resources both by basically adding accuracy and efficiency to our data. Identifying data sources and formats. Variety, structure. To identify data sources and format, you can basically go through the variety or the structure of the data, particular data. So what variety is? Data can come from various sources including database, spreadsheet, APIs, and web scraping. So basically data is everywhere. Wherever you go in this world, data is present everywhere. So data can come from the database, from the spreadsheets, from the APIs, from the web scraping. Basically, from the database, every company have their own database, like their what number of employees, number of sales, number of basically the working hours of the employees. Basically, every data is recorded by the company. The spreadsheets, basically, if an insurance company have its own spreadsheet of how many insurance it have. APIs, basically the connecting sides of the front end and the web back end, and the web scraping is basically the online data that we get from the internet. Structure, different data format exist including CSV, JSON, XML, SQL, and requiring appropriate tools for processing. Basically data have many formats. Data can be represented in many formats. Basically there are the examples are CSV, JSON, XML, SQL. SQL is basically the tabular representation. You can extract the data by running some simple queries in SQL. Data cleaning and normalization. So basically cleaning and normalization. What is cleaning and normalization? Cleaning, removing inconsistent duplicates and erroneous entities to ensure data accuracy. To remove inconsistency, duplicacy, and anomalous entities. So basically, the duplicate words from our data, the duplicate spreadsheet, or bit of basically duplicate rows or columns. By removing these, you can clean the data. Normalization, transforming the data to a common scale, facilitating analysis model performance. Basically you can transform the data into a common scale. Basically the you can convert the data, you can consider the data, you can gather the data in one common scale to normalize the data. Handling missing and inconsistent data, basically how to handle missing and inconsistent data. Identify it, impute it, and remove it. Basically the first step is to identify the missing or the inconsistent data. So basically you have to identify the points where the data is missing. Now the second point is impute, then replace the missing value using like methods like mean, median, or mode. You basically study too many methods of replacing the missing values. There is a subject in engineering called column, there in which there are many methods you can learn about replacing the missing values or the errors. And in data science there are too many methods also to basically replace the missing values. Now finally remove the inconsistent data if it is not recoverable. You need to finally remove the inconsistent data that is irrecoverable. Basically, if it is not recoverable, then you need to remove it finally. Future engineering and selection. What is future engineering and selection? Basically, future engineering ensures the best out of us. Engineering ensures that the model we are preparing must be the best and must be the most efficient model that you create. Drive new features from existing data to enhance model performance. Basically, in future engineering, you enhance model performance by driving the features from the existing model and improve those model features to create some new model features to increase the performance. Choose the most relevant features of analysis, reducing dimensionality. Basically, you need to select the best out of the models to reduce the dimensionality and many more. Exploratory data analysis, EDA. What is exploratory data analysis, EDA? The first point is understanding, the second point is identifying, and the third point is validation. First point is to understand, gain the insight into data distribution and relationship. Basically, you need to learn about the data distribution, how the data is distributed all through our data set or the database, how the data is spreaded among the database, and what is the relationship between the various data sets. Basically, you need to learn about those. Basically, you need to understand what you have. Now the second one is identification. Spot patterns, outliers, and potential biases. You basically need to spot the common patterns inside our data, the outliers, and the potential biases. Validate the data. Confirm data quality and assumptions before modeling. You need to confirm the data quality, means the quality of data must be logged before modeling the data. You need to choose the best quality of data and assumptions. Basically, if you make the model, and what are the assumptions that is to be created, what the model is going to do in future, you need to predict those assumptions also before modeling the data. Preparation data for machine learning. Format and split. Basically, to prepare the data, we need to learn these two basic steps. The first is format, the second is split. Transform data into format suitable for choosing algorithms. Basically, you need to just transform the data. The raw data is written in any language. You need any language or any format. You need to change that format to the suitable that is suitable to the particular algorithm you are using on that data. Now the second is split. Divide data into training, validation, and testing sets. The second point is used in many places. Basically, the step is divided into training, validation, and testing. You need to train the data, you need to validate the data, and you need to test the data. So basically, you need the split point contains three basic points: training, validating, data. That's so that what is training? You need to learn about the training. Training means basically training the data for the best results. Validation means if that data can perform the best results, and testing means finally reviewing how it works. Maintaining data quality and reproducibility. By implementing a rigorous data quality management system and utilizing version control, we ensure data integrity, consistency, and the ability to reproduce results, fostering trust and confidence in our analysis. So that's all for today's video. We will discuss more topics of data science in our next video. So stay tuned for our next lecture. And if you like the video, please do share, do like, and do comments. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.